Okay, this is the first video about the Java best practice. So, what do we need best practices? There are three main purposes for these best practices. The first one is to improve the readability. People need to understand what you code. Secondly, we need to improve the maintainability. To allow other people to maintain your code. And finally, these best practices improve the extensibility of your code to allow further extension of your existing features. You can see those best practices as a standard. You know, as Papyrus, Java projects can have several contributors. Then we would like to have an homogeneous project. That's why we need a standard for all our contributors. Secondly, it's useless to have a too complex standard. If it's too complex, nobody will follow it, and it will be useless. So this is to keep in mind. As a project manager, it is your choice to define which is the best practices to be part of your project as a standard. In Eclipse, there are three main tools to help you in these best practices and to make it automated: the cleaner, the code template, and the formatter. Okay, so let's see where to find the cleanup. So in Window, Preferences, then type Java, Java code style cleanup. So in this window, you can see all the profiles that you have saved. You can edit, remove the profile, create a new one, import, and export all the profile. So here you have all the details about your active profile. So, and let's see how to edit it. So here you have different tabs to clean your code. So the cleaner is to clean your code. It's to delete the unnecessary code or to add some annotations and to organize some code. That's for the cleanup. Let's see now for the code template. So again, here code template. The code template, you have the comments and the code. So the code template is to have some templates to modify some items. So let's see, for example, the file. So here you can add the header. If you want, you can format a header. And again, you have the edit button if you want to edit the templates. You have the same for the codes. So here you can, for the new Java file, you have the file command here that we define here. The file package declaration, the type command again that you could have selected here. And here, of course, the type declaration. So here are all the templates. So you can modify it or add some to have templates for your different items in your code. And that's it. Here we will see the formatter. So in Preferences again, you have Java code style formatter. So again, you have different profiles that you have saved. You can edit the active one, remove one, create a new one, import a file for a formatter, and export all the profile here. So the formatter, the purpose of the formatter is to clean and structure the code and the format of your code. So let's see what can be done. So you have the indentation that you can modify. For example, remember the braces. Here you can define where you want to have the braces. A white space here. And the blank lines. So here you can define where you want to add a line. If I put this to 0, then you have no blank line. New lines. Define if you want the brace to the next one, to a line between the brace. Sorry. Code statement. So here you have, different blocks like else, catch, finally, while, and then here you can define the format of each of these blocks. So where you want the braces and so on. If you want to insert new lines and so on. So here for the else. And then the line wrapping. So here you have several items. You can decide to not wrap it, and then you have all the same line, or even to wrap each items and align it. Then you have the comment. Here you can format all the comment and the off-on tags. In this, you can activate this, and if you add this tag in front of a comment, it will turn off the formatter, the automated formatter. All those templates already exist for Papyrus, so you don't need to create them. I will show you where to find them to import it in your project, into your Eclipse. Okay, in your Git for Papyrus, here, going to working tree, and in the doc folder, yes, here, in the developer documents, going to templates, and here you can see the 3 main templates: code template, cleanup, and formatter. So just need to import it, and that's it. Okay, that was the first video, the introduction about best practices, and I really suggest you to create a standard for your project to make it clear and to make it easier to maintain and to extend. So see you later, and thank you for watching.